FitLab PGH firmly believes movement should be treated as a lifestyle, not just an activity, but it's important to be safe. First day of summer we're filming this was just in Mingo Creek Park riding. Wonderful place to ride and run, but I was a little scared by some of the people I saw on the road. I saw 2 cyclists and a runner, all wearing headphones. The runner was running with traffic, had no awareness of cars overtaking her, couldn't hear me when I called out that I was passing on the left. One cyclist was also texting, and the second cyclist veered across the road to turn into a parking lot without looking back. In theory, the speed limit in Mingo Creek Park is 15 miles an hour. For those of us who spend time there, we know most cars don't go at that speed. So if you're gonna move more. We prefer moving outside, but we want you to be safe. So have smart behavior. If you're gonna listen to the FitLab Pittsburgh or Moving to Live podcasts, then maybe one ear with the headphone in, or get some of the bone conduction headphones and maybe stay off the road.